Text, LG. Life's good. Troubleshooting a burning smell from an LG dishwasher.
Troubleshooting a burning smell from the dishwasher. If your dishwasher is giving off an electrical burning smell or an odor like burning plastic or rubber during operation, this can usually be resolved without a service technician.
Text, concerning new units. The door of a dishwasher stands open revealing dishes.
Concerning new units. It is normal for a new unit to emit odors the first few times it is operated. The odors can be caused by the new motor coils and insulation material around the motor heating up, or the electric heating element when it is first used. Typically, the odors should subside after 10 or 20 full cycles.
Visually inspect the interior.
Visually inspect the interior. Visually inspect the bottom of the unit's interior. If there is a food item, a plastic utensil, plastic food container, or rubber item, such as a toy that has fallen to the bottom or become trapped against the heating element, remove it. When to request repair. If the burning smell persists after the initial 10 or 20 cycles, or if the unit is not new and the burning smell has just become an issue, contact LG to request repair service. For additional support or assistance, go to lg.com/support.
Text, LG. Life's good. Learn more at lg.com.